The artificial valve makes a little clicking sound with every heartbeat. I can hear it in my head ticking. In like a quiet elevator, you can hear it, like it sounds like a watch. I'm Dan. I've been working at PR for 5 years, and I'm the One Loudoun Store Manager. So I've been running since my second heart surgery. I was born with a heart defect that caused my aortic valve to leak, which kind of limited what I was able to do. And I was in heart failure for a pretty significant amount of the time. I had my first heart surgery in junior year of high school. That one I did not recover very well from. I remember going upstairs and having to stop halfway up, being winded, not being able to catch my breath. I remember in my hospital bed after the second surgery, one of the doctors came in and asked me if I had any goals now that I didn't have any more limitations. And I told him I wanted to run a marathon. I was always having to say no to everything. And I really wanted to be able to say yes to everything without thinking about it. I started running on the track at college. I could do about 100 meters at about a 14-minute pace. And then I would be winded and have to stop. I was a little frustrated that that was my fastest pace, but I think I was just so happy to be out there and actually be making some progress. I ran my first marathon about 6 years after that second surgery, and it took me like 5.5 hours, but I did it, got it done. I think part of the reason why I'm still able to function kind of normally is running. So after I started working at PR, I had one friend, Chris, who ran ultras and told me about the C&O Canal 100, and I told him he was nuts, and then I did it. It was probably one of the toughest things that I've ever done, but I finished and it was awesome. And then I was hooked. So I just finished my fourth 100-miler last weekend. My heart function right now isn't great, but I think with running and all the fitness that I build, I'm able to do everything that I want to do. And I'm always super grateful for that. That's why I enjoy running so much. I just forget about the limitations. It's just kind of meditation and just enjoying the movement. I think the big thing that all of this has taught me is gratitude. I know things aren't perfect now, I'll need future heart surgeries, but I'm always happy to get out there and run and be part of the community. And if anyone asks me to go on a run now, the answer is always yes.